Number 1, minimize rereading. So when you reread a lot, you're going to waste a lot of valuable time, which could be better spent on other points in the test. In most cases, rereading would only slow you down and make you even more confused. For the writing part, read the whole passage or most of them in order to grasp the bigger picture, and that's going to help you understand the passage and know what to answer. For the math part, read every single word in the questions. I see a lot of people who lose points just because they didn't carefully read the questions. So don't panic and carefully and slowly read the questions. For the math with calculator part, what you want to do is that you want to plug everything into the calculator if you can. That's going to ensure that you're going to get it right and that you're going to save a lot of time. Now that you saved a lot of time, you're going to have a lot of spare time, meaning you can recheck your answers and go through the test another time, making sure that you get every question right.